How to Enable Web Browsing in Claude AI, 2026 Full Guide. By default, Claude only knows what it was trained on, but in 2026 you can give it live access to the entire internet in just a few taps. Whether you're on Claude, AI, the desktop app, or Chrome, I'll show you every method to enable web browsing in Claude right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm covering the complete 2026 guide to enabling web browsing in Claude AI. Claude's web search integration brings the vast reservoir of online knowledge directly into your conversations, allowing for dynamic and informed interactions without needing to switch between different applications or perform separate searches. There are 3 different ways to enable this depending on how you use Claude. Let's go through all of them step by step. Step 1. Enable web search inside Claude, AI on desktop or mobile. To enable web search in a chat, click the slider icon in the chat input area, select web search from the drop-down menu, and toggle the switch to turn it on. That's it, web search is now active for that conversation, and Claude will automatically search the web whenever your question benefits from current information. Step 2. Enable it through Claude settings for a more persistent setup. Go to your Claude profile, open settings, and look for the features or tools section. From there you can toggle web search on as a default so it stays enabled across all your new conversations without having to switch it on manually every single time. Step 3. Enable Claude in Chrome for full browser-level web access. This is the most powerful web browsing option available in 2026. Claude in Chrome is a browser extension available in beta for all paid plans, Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise, that allows Claude to read, click, and navigate websites alongside you. Claude works directly in the side panel while you browse, seeing what you see and taking actions when you ask. Install it from the Chrome Web Store by searching for Claude, pin it to your toolbar, and open the side panel on any web page. Step 4. Use Claude in Chrome to research across multiple tabs at once. Drag tabs into Claude's designated tab group to enable Claude to view and interact with all group tabs simultaneously, eliminating the need to manually switch between tabs to compile information. This is a game changer for research, price comparisons, or any task that involves pulling information from multiple websites at the same time. Step 5. Enable web browsing in Claude Desktop using MCP connectors. Inside Claude Desktop, go to Customize, then Connectors, and you'll find Exa and Firecrawl listed under the Desktop section. Enable both of them. Exa handles standard web search, while Firecrawl is significantly better at pulling content from dynamically loaded pages that standard web fetch cannot handle. Here's your pro tip before using Claude in Chrome. Review the Using Claude in Chrome Safely guidelines in the Help Center, because browser use is a beta feature that allows Claude to interact directly with websites on your behalf, which carries inherent risks. Always make sure you're only granting Claude access to tabs and sites you're comfortable with it reading and interacting with, especially on pages where you're logged into sensitive accounts. A little caution up front keeps your browsing completely secure. And that's your complete 2026 guide to enabling web browsing in Claude AI, toggling web search on inside Claude AI, setting it as your default, installing Claude in Chrome for full browser-level access, using tab groups for multi-site research, and enabling Exa and Firecrawl connectors in Claude Desktop for the most powerful browsing setup available. Pick whichever method fits your workflow, and Claude instantly becomes a real-time research powerhouse. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Claude tutorials every week. And drop a comment below which browsing method are you going to use. I'd love to know. See you in the next one.